Hey guys, this is Buliding Gaming from server 773 and we are into the Age of Oil season 2 celebration. You can see the Age of Oil is now progressing in our server 773 and we need oil to upgrade lots of buildings. As you can see, there's a new section unlocked in research, the Age of Oil. So it's recommended also to unlock the Age of Oil oil well, a new building, and you can see there are lots of other researches regarding that. You can see unlock oil well, new building for oil well. So it's very important when you go from 30 HQ to 31 to 35. So you'll need lots of like oil and other resources. Okay, so oil is also important for like season 3, season 2 celebration and season 3 after. Okay, so as you can see, I unlocked the new oil well building, and let's place it somewhere nice where we can see it clearly and collect the oil or the resources from uh, production of it. So you can see this is how it looks. Oil well, you may have seen this in DSB, Desert Storm Battlefield. So you can see we got oil well, which oil output per hour starting from 60, and you can upgrade to get more resources from it. So now if you go to the HQ, you'll find these barrels needed for upgradation of many buildings like headquarters and big buildings. So if you are trying to upgrade your HQ from 31 to 35, you're gonna need these oil barrels or oil. So that's why it's a must needed building to unlock. So you can go to the research tab and unlock it from here. uh, Give it a priority so you can unlock other research tabs like this, like food, iron and gold. And there are lots of other oil output and other building materials. Also you can unlock the third tech center from here, so you can progress more faster in tech research. Also you can increase your building construction speed up and take research speed up, and gain more oil wells as you complete the research in this oil tech center. So you can see there are parts workshop. This is needed to unlock 31 HQ or start upgrading 31 HQ. So you need to at least upgrade till this, and then there is a base level cap reached to 35. So this is for upgrading latest 35 HQ. So if you are progressing and want to upgrade your buildings, you must have this take research and new building upgraded. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. Then please subscribe to my channel.